Good morning. Welcome to English speaking class. Guys, girls, students, श्रोताओ, नमस्कार, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, धन्यवाद, जी आया हूँ, मरहबा, सबाह अल खैर, privet, zawa. Guys, viewers, today we are gonna view the phrases spoken in English. These are slangs. These are slang phrases which are commonly spoken in English language. Guys and girls, viewers, my students, आज हम slangs को देखते हैं, slangs phrases को देखते हैं. Slang phrases जो हैं इनका इस्तेमाल ज़बान में आमतौर पे किया जाता है और commonly these are very familiar in English speaking communities. Let's see these phrases with slangs. Let's have a look up here. The first one is crash. Crash as a slang जब इस्तेमाल होगा तो इसके माने sleep के होते हैं. Crash means sleep, to sleep. Crash means to sleep. Crash means to sleep. Let's see the phrase with crash. Here see, Sue is gonna crash. Sue is gonna crash. Sue is gonna crash. Sue सोने जा रही है. Joy is gonna crash. Joy is gonna crash. Joy सोने जा रहा है. Timmy is gonna crash. Timmy is gonna crash. Timmy सोने जा रहा है. Fahad is gonna crash. Fahad is gonna crash. Fahad सोने जा रहा है. Crash के मानी जो हैं वो sleep के लिए जाते हैं. Sleep के लिए जाते हैं. सोने के लिए जाते हैं. To go asleep. To go asleep. So crash is a slang word and it's commonly used in speaking. We are gonna crash. We are gonna crash. हम सोने जा रहे हैं. We are gonna crash. हम सोने जा रहे हैं. They are gonna crash. वो सोने जा रहे हैं. Are you gonna crash now? Are you gonna crash now? क्या अब आप सोने जा रहे हो? Are you gonna crash now? क्या आप सोने जा रहे हो? Tim is gonna crash. Tim सोने जा रहा है. Sue is gonna crash. Sue सोने जा रही है. इंतहाई खूबसूरत phrase है. Let's see another phrase with the slang. Here you are. The first one is sweet. Sweet means favorable. Sweet means favorable. Hey, it's super sweet. Hey, it's super sweet. Hey, it's super sweet. Hey, it's super sweet. अरे ये बहुत फ़ायदेमंद है. अरे ये बहुत सूदमंद है. Sweet is a slang word. It's commonly used in speaking in English societies. Sweet is a slang. It means favorable. Sweet means favorable. Sweet means favorable. Hey, it's super sweet. Hey, it's super sweet. Hey, it's super sweet. अरे ये बहुत फ़ायदेमंद है. अरे ये बहुत फ़ायदेमंद है. Beneficial, other word, other synonym of फ़ायदेमंद sweet के है. Beneficial, favorable. The conditions are very sweet. Hi guys, the conditions are very sweet. Hi guys, the conditions are very sweet. हालात जो हैं वो बहुत फ़ायदेमंद हैं. हालात जो हैं वो बहुत फेवरेबल है. Hi guys, conditions are very sweet. 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 अरे लड़कों, हालात बहुत फ़ायदेमंद हैं. हालात बहुत अच्छे हैं. So sweet means favorable. Hi, it's super sweet. Hi, it's super sweet. Hi, it's super sweet. Hi, it's super sweet. Hey, it's super sweet. Hey, it's super sweet. अरे ये बहुत फ़ायदेमंद है. आइए अगला फ्रेज देखते हैं with the slang. Next one is Johnsing. Johnsing means desire. To desire something. To have a desire for something. Johnsing means having a desire for something. Desire, Johnsing is a very beautiful slang word and it's commonly used in different phrases. Here see the phrase with Johnsing. She is Johnsing for bucks. She is Johnsing for bucks. शी इज जोनसिंग फॉर बक्स, शी इज जोनसिंग फॉर बक्स, उसे डॉलरों की ख्वाहिश है। शी इज जोनसिंग फॉर बक्स, शी इज जोनसिंग फॉर बक्स, उसे डॉलरों की ख्वाहिश है। शी इज जोनसिंग फॉर बक्स, शी इज जोनसिंग फॉर बक्स, उसे डॉलरों की ख्वाहिश है। आई एम जोनसिंग फॉर, आई एम जोनसिंग फॉर बर्गर, आई एम जोनसिंग फॉर बर्गर, मुझे बर्गर की ख्वाहिश है, मुझे बर्गर की तलब है। आई एम जोनसिंग फॉर बर्गर, आई एम जोनसिंग फॉर मैकडोनल्ड, आई एम जोनसिंग फॉर मैकडोनल्ड, मुझे मैकडोनल्ड बर्गर की ख्वाहिश है। आई एम जोनसिंग फॉर मैकडोनल्ड, मुझे बिग मैक, बिग मैक, आई एम जोनसिंग फॉर बिग मैक, आई एम जोनसिंग फॉर बिग मैक। हाय माइक, हाय माइक, आई एम जोनसिंग फॉर बिग मैक, माइक दोस्त मुझे बड़े बर्गर की ज़रूरत है। आई एम जोनसिंग फॉर बिग मैक, आई एम जोनसिंग फॉर बिग मैक, मुझे बड़े बर्गर की ज़रूरत है। हे माइक, आई एम जोनसिंग फॉर बिग मैक, शी इज जोनसिंग फॉर बक्स, शी इज जोनसिंग फॉर बक्स, शी इज जोनसिंग फॉर बक्स, उसे डॉलरों की ख्वाहिश है। शी इज जोनसिंग फॉर बक्स, शी इज जोनसिंग फॉर बक्स, उसे डॉलरों की तलब है। Guys, viewers and my students, very interesting slang phrase, Johnson, Johnson. Let's see the next one. Next phrase is zonk. Zonk means tired. Bell is totally zonked. 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 Bell मुकम्मल तौर पर थक चुका है। Zonk mean tired, zonk mean tired, Z-O-N-K-E-D, zonk mean tired. Bell is totally zonked, Bell is totally zonked. Rex is totally zonked, Rex मुकम्मल तौर पर थक चुका है। Billy is totally zonked, Billy is totally zonked. Muhammad is totally zonked, Muhammad is totally zonked, Muhammad is totally zonked. मोहम्मद मुकम्मल तौर पर थक चुका है। Are you zonked? Are you zonked? Are you not zonked? Are you not zonked? Are you not zonked? क्या आप नहीं थक चुके हो? After hard work, are you not zonked? Are you not zonked? Are you not zonked? मुशक्क़त के बाद, सख्त काम के बाद क्या आप नहीं थक चुके हो? Are you not zonked? Are you not zonked? क्या आप नहीं थक चुके हो? तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास फ्रेज है zonked, tired. Bell is totally zonked. 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 Bell मुकम्मल तौर पर थक चुका है। Let's see the next phrase with the slang. Here you are. The next one is bile. Bile. Bile mean to avoid, to leave someone behind, and to don't accomplish the promise. Don't accomplish the promise, leaving someone behind, and don't accomplish the promise. So bile means avoid someone for having an activity together, to avoid someone for having an activity together, to avoid someone for having an excursion together. So bile means to avoid. Let's see the phrase with bile. Don't you bile on me, don't you bile on me, don't you bile on me, तुम मुझे नजरअंदाज ना करो। Don't you bile on me, don't you bile on me, आप मुझे नजरअंदाज ना करो। Don't you bail on me, don't you bail on me, you promise to have a lunch with me, now don't you bail on me, don't you bail on me, you promise to have a lunch with me, you promise to have a dinner with me, now don't you bail on me, don't bail on me, you promise to have a lunch together, don't bail on me, don't bail on me, मुझे नजरअंदाज ना करो। Don't you bail on me, don't you bail on me, तुम मुझे नजरअंदाज ना करो। Don't you bail on me, don't bail on me, मुझे नजरअंदाज ना करो। इस तरह आप कर सकते हैं don't bail on her, डोंट बाइल ऑन हर, उसे नजरअंदाज मत करो। डोंट बाइल ऑन हिम, डोंट बाइल ऑन हिम, डोंट बाइल ऑन हिम। कीप द प्रॉमिस, keep the promise, don't bail on him, you keep the promise, you keep the promise, don't bail on him, you keep the promise, don't bail on him, you keep the promise, don't you bail on me, 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 don't you bail on me। आइए अगला फ्रेज देखते हैं। नेक्स्ट वन इज creep, 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 creep means to be unhappy, to be unhappy. Creep means to be unhappy, to be unhappy, to be rigid, to be rigid, to be unhappy। Let's see the phrase with creep. Creep is a slang word. Babe, don't be creepy, babe, don't be creepy, babe, don't be creepy, babe, don't be creepy, hey babe, don't be creepy, hey babe, don't be creepy। सोना रुख ना मोड़, सोना रुख ना मोड़, सोना रुख ना मोड़, प्यारे रुख ना मोड़। Hey, babe, don't be creepy, babe, don't be creepy, babe, don't be creepy, प्यारे रुख ना मोड़ो। Babe, don't be creepy, सोना रुख ना मोड़, प्यारे रुख ना मोड़ो। Babe, don't be creepy, babe, don't be creepy, hey babe, don't be creepy, hey babe, don't be creepy, hi dear, don't be creepy, hi dear, don't be creepy, hi friend, don't be creepy, अरे दोस्त रुख ना मोड़ो। hi friend, don't be creepy, hi friend, don't be creepy, अरे दोस्त रुख ना मोड़ो, अरे दोस्त नाखुशगवार मत हो। hi friend, don't be creepy, hi friend, don't be creepy, अरे दोस्त रुख ना मोड़ो, अरे दोस्त अरे प्यारे रुख ना मोड़ो। hi dear, don't be creepy, hi dear, don't be creepy, hi babe, don't be creepy, अरे प्यारे रुख ना मोड़ो। hi babe, don't be creepy, babe, don't be creepy, सोना रुख ना मोड़, सोना रुख ना मोड़, don't be creepy, hi babe, don't be creepy, अरे प्यारे रुख ना मोड़ो। Guys, here श्रोताओ, these are very interesting slangs, these are commonly spoken in speaking and these are used many ways। and let's see revise these phrases again with slangs। आइए slangs के साथ इन जुमलों को फिर से दोहराते हैं। Let's start from the first one। crash, crash, shoe is gonna crash, shoe is gonna crash, shoe is gonna crash, shoe सोने जा रही है, shoe is gonna crash, shoe सोने जा रही है। It means shoe is gonna sleep, shoe is gonna to sleep, shoe is gonna to sleep, shoe is gonna sleep, shoe is gonna crash, shoe is gonna crash, shoe सोने जा रही है, shoe is gonna crash, shoe is gonna crash, shoe सोने जा रही है। Next one is sweet, sweet, sweet। Here see next slang is sweet, sweet means favorable। Hi, it's super sweet, hi, it's super sweet, hi, it's super sweet, अरे ये बहुत फायदेमंद है। It's hi, it's super sweet, hey, it's super sweet, hi, it's super sweet, अरे ये बहुत फायदेमंद है। Hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, conditions are sweet, conditions are super sweet। Hi guys, conditions are super sweet, अरे लड़कों हालात बहुत फायदेमंद हैं। Hi guys, conditions are super sweet। So यहाँ पे हमने फ्रेज देखा Hi, it's super sweet, Hi, it's super sweet, अरे ये बहुत फायदेमंद है। And next is jouncing, jouncing, jouncing means to have a desire, to have a desire। Jouncing, she is jouncing for bucks, she is jouncing for bucks, she is jouncing for bucks, उसे डॉलरों की ख्वाहिश है। She is jouncing for bucks, she is jouncing for bucks, उसे डॉलरों की ख्वाहिश है। I am too jouncing for bucks, I am too jouncing for bucks, I am too jouncing for bucks, मुझे भी डॉलरों की ख्वाहिश है। I am too jouncing for bucks, I am too jouncing for bucks, I am too jouncing for bucks, मुझे भी डॉलरों की ख्वाहिश है। आइए अगला फ्रेज देखते हैं। zone, 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 bell is totally zone, bell is totally zone, Rex is totally zonk. Bell मुकम्मल थक चुका है. Rex is totally zonk. Zonk mean tired. Zonk mean tired. Zonk mean tired. Bell is totally zonk. Bell मुकम्मल थक चुका है. Rex is totally zonk. Rex is totally zonk. Rex मुकम्मल थक चुका है. Are you not zonked? Are you not zonked? क्या आप थक नहीं चुके हो? Are you not zonked? Are you not zonked? क्या आप थक नहीं चुके हो? Next is bail. Bail means avoid. Avoid. Bail. B-A-I-L. Bail. 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 Don't you bail on me. 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 तुम मुझे नजरअंदाज ना करो. Don't you bail on me. Don't you bail on me. तुम मुझे नजरअंदाज ना करो. Don't you bail on me. क्या तुम मुझे नजरअंदाज नहीं करते हो? Don't you bail on me. क्या तुम मुझे नजरअंदाज नहीं करते हो? Don't you bail on me. Don't you bail on me. तुम मुझे नजरअंदाज ना करो. And next is creep. 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 To be unhappy. To be unpleasant. To be unpleasant. To be unhappy. To be unpleasant. To be unhappy. Creep. Creep. Bye. Don't be creepy. Bye. Don't be creepy. Bye. Hi babe. Don't be creepy. Hi babe. Don't be creepy. अरे प्यारे रुक ना मोड़ो. Hi babe. Don't be creepy. Hi babe. Don't be creepy. अरे प्यारे रुक ना मोड़ो. सोना रुक ना मोड़. Babe. Don't be creepy. Babe. Don't be creepy. Hey babe. Don't be creepy. अरे प्यारे रुक ना मोड़ो. Thank you guys. These are very interesting phrases. And these slangs are commonly used in English speaking societies. Memorize these phrases. I'll see you next. Goodbye. Goodbye.